is Amit, and today we're going to do the unboxing of Xiaomi's latest air purifier, which is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S, and this is how the retail packaging looks like. Again, this has a very subtle branding of Xiaomi, which clearly has a Mi logo on the front, and there's nothing else. While on the back, we do have a picture or a representation of the purifier, but let me just skip that because we have our address mentioned on that area, and let me just showcase the package contents to you. So let's do the unboxing of the same. And once you open up the package, the first thing what at least we have got is Xiaomi's little letter which says, "Hi Amit, wishing you and your loved ones a season of joy, cheer and blah 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 blah." So it's more about festive season, and this is more like a gift which we have received from Xiaomi. So let's put this aside and open up the retail packaging. And once you open this, the first thing which you would see here is a quick start guide. Again, this is an information booklet which has some information available, and it says how to install, which is very simple. You just have to open the filter door, take out the power cord and connect it to the power supply. So I'll just skip this one, though you always have to make sure that you have the Mi Home application on your smartphone. Let's put this aside and remove the air purifier from the box. So once you have removed the air purifier, it's pretty lightweight. Again, I think it's around 4 to 5 kgs, not that heavy, but let's remove it. And the best thing which I like about the Xiaomi's air purifier, the complete range, is the color. It looks very beautiful and has holes all over so that the air could easily circulate, and that's one of the best features which I like. Again, it's pretty lightweight. And if I talk about the physical form factor, there's a display. That's the new thing which is being introduced in the new Air Purifier 2S model, and there's also a light, I guess, on the top, and regular design which we had seen in the earlier air purifiers from Xiaomi. So let me just open up the back cabinet first so that I could remove the power cable and then connect it to the power supply. So it's very simple. You can pull it out this way, and once you open up the back section, you would get the power cable within the same. And again, this is the Indian cable, not the Chinese one where we always have to have an adapter. So this is how the power adapter looks like. Let me just connect it to the air purifier. Again, this is how it looks like. This is the standard cable which we have received within this box. Below this, inside this section, we have this cylindrical filter which you need to obviously change every few months. Again, you would get a notification of the same on the Mi Home application. Once it's completely filled with dust, you would get a notification you need to get a new one. But this is how it looks, and it comes with a RFID chip, and which is why you shouldn't be removing this tag. So let me just place this cylinder back and close the back case, and it's good to go. Again, there's also a laser particle sensor on the back, and there's another button here which is useful when you would like to reset the Wi-Fi. Let's say you're changing the location, you're changing the router. It's very simple, just long press both of these buttons and it's done. So right now, let me just connect this to the power and take you to the home screen of the application itself. Once you have connected the power supply, you would boot it up, and the first thing which you get on the screen is filter remaining, which is 100%, and the whole purifier gets booted up. It will take a few seconds, following which you get the meter readings, because it takes a few seconds to get the exact readings, and right now it's showing me a count of 20. Again, it's jumping to 4, so it would take almost 1 minute to get you the exact average results. While at the same time, the good thing which we have on this one is that it has a small display which shows you the current room temperature, which is 27 degrees, and also it's searching for Wi-Fi. So what I would do right now is go to my Mi Home application on the app on the smartphone and start searching for new devices nearby, and within a few seconds, like if you notice here, it will take a few seconds of search, following which, again, in my case, what happened right now, unfortunately, is that the device could not be found, which is why I would be doing a hard reset, wherein you just have to press both the buttons, long press for 5 seconds, and then it would reboot, and hopefully following that, the device would be available in the local Wi-Fi. So it's again scanning for the device, and then now it's going to recalibrate. After a few seconds, you would be able to find the air purifier. Meanwhile, let me talk about the physical overview. So here we have one button on the top which is for switching on the air purifier, while at the same time we can change the modes onto the same. So by default it's in auto mode. If you press once, it goes into sleep mode where the speed of the fan goes lower. It's almost in working in silence. You won't have any noise coming from the air purifier. While following that, there's a favorite mode which runs the air purifier in the highest speed possible to quickly clean the room in your surroundings. So you can tap on that and the air blowing speed increases. Following that, one tap and you're back to the auto mode, which keeps detecting the air quality, and if it suddenly sees that there's a lot of pollution around, all of a sudden, let's say you open the windows, or let's say you have burned something in your room, or someone has started smoking in the room, then it detects that and starts increasing the speed of the fan to quickly clean up the room itself. While at this moment it's still going to take some time for me to find the device. I did hard reset it twice, but still not working. I'm still searching for the device. That's some problem which is coming up on this specific unit, but overall it works the same way like the standard Xiaomi air purifier. It will show me the results which are available on this unit, which is the air quality of this specific room. And I already have the other air purifier which is running in this office, and this is how the readings show up to you. That's just to give you an example of the same. And right now if you look, it's currently showing that the air quality is around 14 to 22 PM count, that's PM 2.5. So that's it for now. This was a quick unboxing and an overview of the Xiaomi's Mi Air Purifier 2S. If you think this video was useful to you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to my new channel for more videos like this. This is Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye.